Hi guys, today I'm going to show you an example of what we mean by diversifying in a bakery business. You see, when you open a bakery, you don't just focus on sliced bread or agege bread. You have to diversify. You have to create so many types of loaves. That way you are going to make profit. Now in this video, what you're seeing now is the sardine bread, hot dog, no burger bread, and so many. So I'm going to walk you through. You can see this fruit bread three-faced fruit bread, very nice and beautiful. It's attractive. So if a customer walks into your bakery, he has options. Now this session is meat pie and other pastries. The same small bakery, very small two-room size bakery, a lot is going on. And so you have to leverage, you have to diversify, you have to explore all the baking areas that you can actually lay hands on. In this bakery, we produce meat pie, we have hot dog roll, we have the burger buns, we have a lot of it. So we produce even cake, cupcakes, and distribute. We produce coconut bread, sardine bread. We also produce donuts, a lot of things. So you see that it attracts more customers, more retailers, and more consumers. Everything is going smoothly, step by step. And so don't just depend on a conventional, bakery. Now here we are producing the coconut bread. You can see the filling, coconut bread, sardine bread is going on, and we are carefully prepare the recipe. You can see the hot dog roll, very nice. Now the next bread close to that one, you can see just a normal round bread that is sold for 500, 600, depending on your location. And so it enables the business to grow. It helps the business to work strong and healthy, because it will be like different sources of income. The hot dog roll can give you little profit. Add it to the sardine bread, add it to this one, add it to this one. We produce the normal bread. We produce bread for 100 naira, 200, 500, 1000, 1005, 2000 sizes, you can see. So this is one of the best way to run your business and make profit. Diversify. Don't depend on solely one product. Now most of the normal agege bread or milky bread, butter bread, the competition is tense, the competition is so high. And so if you depend on those ones alone, you may end up regretting or even bankrupt. You may end up closing down the business. But if you diversify, and those of you that are in the city, you can actually visit so many places and experience. Create your own marketing strategies and distribute the product. You see, if you have this type of variety of products, you'll be able to supply to restaurants, supply to retail stores, to superstores, to eateries, and so many parties, events. People will come. Those that are celebrating birthday will know that you can do something for them. Those that have weddings, you can do something for them. Those, every event you have a product that you can actually, or somebody can actually place order. That is how to run a bakery. And you can see the space is very small. We are doing it. Most of you have a very nice, large, wide space, yet you are not making good use of it. That's why you need training. Contact us for training. Contact us for good business plan, and we will do justice for that. We train. In your bakery, we can train. You can visit our bakery for training, or we can train you online. Call us for your ebook. See you in our next video. God bless.